Hi WordPress users! Do you want to install myCRED plugin in your WordPress site? Here is how easily you can install myCRED plugin in your site. Important note is that it is important that you make sure your WordPress installation reach the minimum requirements in order to use myCRED plugin. So, to fulfill that requirements, myCRED plugin needs PHP 5.3 or higher and your WordPress version must be 4.0 or higher as of version 1.7. Step 1. Installing myCRED from your WordPress dashboard area. Go to the Plugins menu and click on the Add New Plugin submenu in your dashboard. Now, in the search field write myCRED and hit Search button. Step 2. Once installed, it's time to activate the plugin. The first time you activate the plugin, you will see a notice asking you to run the setup. This setup needs to be run only the first time you activate the plugin and is required in order to create your first point type and install the log database. Step 3. Setting up your first point type. Finally, we need to create our first point type. This will also install the log database based on your point type format. This involves what points are called, how they are presented and the capabilities used to identify administrators. If you plan on installing multiple point types and they all need to use different decimal places, remember that your default point type needs to be set to use the highest number of decimal places. Step 4. Once you have run the first setup, it is time for you to activate the features you are looking to use in myCRED. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel for more update on WordPress plugin technical videos.